Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a retirement letter. What is a retirement letter? A retirement letter is a formal written document that an individual, typically an employee, sends to their employer or organization to announce their intention to retire. It typically includes details such as the retirement date and expresses gratitude for the years spent working for the company. Retirement letters are a professional way to inform employers and colleagues about one's retirement plans and to initiate the retirement process, including any necessary arrangements or procedures. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a retirement letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your information. You can put it as the head of the letter, or at the left side. So, write your full name. Under it, write your home address. Yes, mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. Or, you can replace it with your job position in the company, as well as the name of the company. And then, write your contact information like phone number and email address. After that, write the date of the letter. You need to include the month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient of this letter. You must write their full name. And then, write the occupation or job position in the company. In this example, the letter is addressed to the Human Resource Manager. And write the name of the company as well. Under it, write the address of the company or office. You need to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code for the full address. After writing these information, you can open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you can continue by giving a greeting and salutation. For example, you may write, "I hope this letter finds you well." And you can directly announce your retirement. When you do it, you need to mention the name of the company. And write also the effective retirement date. For example, the writer here announced, "It is with mixed emotions that I announce my retirement from ABC Corporation. Effective January 30th, 2024. Yes, write the date using the format of month, date, and year. After that, give an acknowledgement and gratitude. In doing this, you can also mention the years of service. So, here, you can write something like, "After 7 years of dedicated service to this remarkable company, the time has come for me to embrace the joys of retirement." You should make it clearly that it is a retirement letter. Therefore, mentioning the word retirement is a must. In the second paragraph, this is where you show the expression of gratitude for colleagues and experiences. Of course, you should leave with good impression. It is about maintaining networking and relationship. So, you may write, "Throughout my tenure at ABC Corporation, I have had the privilege of working alongside incredible colleagues like you. And I've had the opportunity to contribute to our shared successes." Just write all the good things you get in the company. Never ever mention a single bad thing of the company or the environment. Besides that, you need to also give brief reflection on their contributions. You should be grateful since the recipient and the rest colleagues in the company has assisted you during your work. Therefore, you may write, "The memories and experiences I've gained here are priceless. And I am profoundly grateful." In the third paragraph, this is where you talk about your retirement plans and aspirations. Yes, just simply mention what you wanna do after this. You may want to spend more time with family, do hobbies, or so on. So, you may write, "As I move into this new chapter of life, I look forward to spending quality time with my family, pursuing hobbies, and exploring new horizons." And then, you can talk also about the transition to retirement life. Yes, it is good if you mention of personal goals and ambitions. For example, retirement will allow me to savor life's simple pleasures and recharge for the adventures ahead. Just write what retirement means to you. Make it sound positive. Good positive vibes only. In the fourth paragraph, now it is time to give your thanks and appreciation. Sure, it is fine to being grateful many times in this letter. Thank all the individual who has helped you during your stay at the company. For example, the writer here wrote, I want to express my sincere appreciation to you, the HR team, and all my colleagues for the support, mentorship, and camaraderie. You can use your own language of appreciation here. You just need to be sincere. And don't forget to also show your acknowledgement of support and colleagues. If you don't know what to write, you may copy this. Your friendship and professionalism have enriched my career and made it all the more rewarding. Beautiful, isn't it? In the fifth paragraph, this is the closing remarks. Here, you need to state clearly that it is a formal notice of retirement. You may write something like, please consider this letter as my formal notice of retirement. Not only that, write also your commitment to assist in transition. Sure, you need to offer an assistance for a smooth transition. Therefore, you need to write, I am committed to ensuring a seamless transition during my remaining time here. And I will work closely with the HR department to complete any necessary tasks. Yes, you are leaving the company forever, and leave it without abandoning your current tasks. And for the last paragraph, this is where you write farewell and warm regards. It is highly recommended that you thank the recipient once again. You may write, thank you once again for everything. And mention how the company and the experience here will be unforgettable for you. For example, as ABC Corporation will always hold a special place in my heart. And tell how excited you are to welcome your retirement days. Just simply write, I am excited to embrace the next chapter of life's journey. And finally, you can close the letter with warm regards. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. You may also write your job position in the company, and the company name as well. So, that's how you write a retirement letter step by step. This format can serve as a guide for composing a retirement letter, with each paragraph serving a specific purpose in conveying the retirement announcement and expressing gratitude. Feel free to use this structure and adapt it according to your own retirement message. I hope this video helpful for you. Enjoy your retirement days. I wish you happy life with your beloved ones. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.